she blessed me.
You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
I don't know if this is too zoomed out or what, like, it's too zoomed in. Okay, y'all, I had a few things to do today. I had to pick my mom up from the airport and stuff. And I went home and I got some packages. I just pulled this one out the box. This one and this one. But I checked it out at home. And I'm gonna wipe the counters down, so don't worry. But my other couch is sitting over here. My old couch, y'all already know. We have just scheduled to have that picked up so I can return back to Wayfair, because it's not the one for me. My other one, I just got confirmation that it's coming on the 2nd again. But let me show y'all what I got from Amazon. I got some Pampas grass, some baby Pampas grass, some short ones. I don't know if it's artificial or like real Pampas grass. I just like the look of it. It's like bundled all together. It comes with 30 pieces, I believe. I'll link everything in the description that I have. But that Pampas grass, and also this little baby. It came packaged pretty well. It's a vase that I really wanted. It's a white vase. I wanted one from Target, but it's sold out. And the other one is a little bit more cream. This is very white. Like a white, but yeah. The styrofoam's kind of messy. I don't like the smell of that. And I have my lamps. I didn't open this one fully at all. And then, oh, where's the other thing? Let me show y'all the lamps, because the lamps are dupe for these IKEA lamps, like digital lamps. And I got two. They're LED floor lamps. I don't know if y'all can see. LED floor lamps. I have a vision for what I want to do in my living room. I don't know if I've showed you guys already. But yeah, they're LED floor lamps. I'm gonna try them out. They have like, let me read. They have a dimming range, so I can go light or red, like yellow light, white light, and they look good. And it comes with a remote for both. So kind of hyped for that. I don't think it changes colors like rainbow colors, but I got two of them because I want them to sit over the couch. But isn't this thing so stinking cute? She's a little bit smaller than what I thought, but I love her. So I'm gonna put some of this Pampas grass in here, and then I'm gonna put some in the one in my room. Let me show y'all what else I got, which I didn't get. My homegirl Jasmine. Let me keep this way. Oh, I put the package over here. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming back. And again, I'm gonna wipe these counters down. Don't get on me to put these boxes over here. But y'all, she got me the Chanel table book. I know she heard me talking about coffee books and she blessed me. I wanted this book so bad. I was just about to get it. Like, it's sitting in the cart. Shawty got it for me. Shout out to Jasmine. She OD. So this is today's little Amazon haul. Pampas grass. I don't know if I'm supposed to let these sit out in the sun to fluff, but I kind of don't know if I want that. Chanel book. Cute little vase. Cute little vase. It's giving Pinterest. And my two LED floor lamps, which I will be busting out the box today to see what's good with it, because I want to make sure they work properly, just in case I have to send it back. Because this whole moving process, I feel like I've been in furnishing an apartment process, I feel like I've been like send back queen, which I've seen other people's videos and they say that they've had to send back a lot of stuff. I think because this is like this, I can spray like, I'm getting off task, but they've been having to send back a lot of stuff too, because if it ain't your vision, send it back. But I have this fabric sanitizer, and I know that Pampas grass kind of like, I just want to sanitize it. Don't wear her up, don't care, it's gonna dry. Ooh, ooh, come on, bruh. She's giving contrast, because this is like a white, this is like a cream white, and I want that. This cute. This what the coffee table was. Hold on, let me try to put it on the coffee table itself. Yo, why is it giving? Ignore the air mattress. Look, how can I tell y'all to ignore the air mattress? We're just gonna slide it sideways like this. Looks a little bit better this way. So stinking cute. I can't. The sand and fog. That's Amazon. It's giving bougie on a budget. Wait till I get some more stuff. Y'all gonna be sick in the stomach. Like, what? And let me show y'all my side table with the Pampas grass too. It's coming together slowly but surely. I don't want to show y'all a bunch of the room. I do want to show y'all like pieces as I go along. But this is a candle my mom gave me from Altered State. If I can find the link to it, I'll link it down below. But it's called Sanctuary, I guess. I love that a lot. Wish I could smell it, but smell it through the phone. It smells like it's giving a sweet cologne vibe. I have no clue, but this is it right here, and I love the detailing on the side. I love the mix of woods together. I didn't think it would be cute at first, but it fits perfectly, and the Pampas grass looks really good too in this pot that I got for only $9. Come on, TJ Maxx and Home Goods. My mom also blessed me with these beads, and I luckily found this from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, I showed you guys, but y'all see your girl got some jewelry in there. That's the purpose. And I also have a pair of lashes in there. So, and she also blessed me with this side table itself. This looks so darn cute. I didn't even think this was my aesthetic. This is giving like, let me flip the camera. This is giving like boho chic, kind of modern boho chic. I don't know, but I love it. I love it. My room looks really nice. I'm taking a page out of my mom's book for sure with the whole setup. There's boxes everywhere, so whatever. But I just wanted to hop in and show y'all those few things because I'm really excited about them. I'm probably gonna wash my hands, shower, because I don't think I'm gonna leave again today at all. But yeah, I'm really gassed up over these tiny little pieces. They're very cute. Probably get some laundry done, because if my bed gets here tomorrow, I definitely want to put the bed set on there. It's looking cute, girl. Looking cute. Ooh, I can't wait to add more up here. I can't wait to get my couch and get my bed for real. I'm really on a pause game when it comes to decor for now. I want my couch. I need it. Need that.
You got potential. You got potential.
So although my couch isn't here yet, I decided to plug up the lamps just to make sure they work, but they look just like I want them to look. They're freaking perfect. And they are a dupe for the Yipling, I think that's how you pronounce it, lamp from IKEA. This one's called the, I'm tired of saying it. Okay, we're just gonna Fumba, I don't know, I forgot, but I'm gonna link everything down below. But they both come with remotes. They do like, they have different settings. Little coffee one. Oh, that's cute. Laptop one. Oh, I guess that's blue. Gaming one. Oh, a baby bottle, so I guess to soothe the baby. Then something else. Very cute. And then a remote for each one. Okay. Look what we got. Ah! Home Goods haul of the day. I only got 3 things, so don't get too hyped up. I got this little thing to put in here. I want a bunch of little doodads and things like that to go on my ladder, my bookcase ladder type thing, and then also my TV stand. I don't have a lot of things to put on there, but I know I want them to be black, white, and cream and beige colors. And I got this little dice thing that you flip on other sides. This one say, "Pray to the Lord, you are the light of the world." Just little reminders for myself. Don't be afraid, just believe. With God, all things are possible. Just motivational things and reminders. Let all that you do be done in love. You know, little things. It was only $2.99 from Home Goods. Cute. I think I'll just put it up there roll that stuff like a dice. This one I'm really hyped up about, but I really got it because it kind of matches the decor in my room, and hopefully like I'll be able to put it somewhere in my room rather than out here because it doesn't really go out here. It's this cream whitish box, and it's a prayer card box. It includes 50 prayer cards, and at the top it says be still and know. I think that's so stinking cute, and because in Bible study we just were talking about this scripture. Prayer cards, open this baby up. The wood is very pretty, and again, I don't know if I told y'all this before, but I like mixed woods for my room. It's a boho chic inspired room. Here are the prayer cards. How cute. Like, I can't. And just put them in there, just little prayers. I think that's very cute. My mom has something very similar that she got from her Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Same concept of putting like prayer notes in a jar, and I think that's very cute. And last but certainly not least, I got this cute Sherpa pillow that kind of looks like a beach ball or basketball type pillow. They had a bunch. They had some in like a dark cream color, and also they had like a gray color one, but I wanted this one obviously for obvious reasons. It matches my decor out here, and I really wanted one of those knotted pillows that were like round or weird like type pillow, but on Amazon they were kind of OD. Okay, I was rudely interrupted. My storage got full, so I had to delete a few things, and the air came on. But this is only $16.99 for a cute little pillow. The other ones I was looking at online, like the knotted pillows, were like $20. Some of them were like that price, but they didn't have like Prime, so I didn't know like how much I was paying for like the shipping and this, that, and the third, whatever. Got this cute little pillow that I think will replace my search for the knot pillow, hopefully, and it's very cute. But whether it goes out here or in my room, I think it'll be really, really nice touch. I'm thinking it's gonna go on my couch out here because I wanted to add some texture. And again, it's this Sherpa pillow, and I wanted to add a cream pillow because both of my throw pillows are black. Your girl got a few cute little pieces for today. This a little haul, little Home Goods haul. Small, but we're loving it. Very happy. And I wanted to ask you guys what y'all think about me vlogging more often, like just vlogging my day-to-day life and like what I have going on in my life here and there. I don't know, like day in the life vlogs, because this is practically that. It's just like moving specific. Most of the stuff I film is like moving specific. Sometimes I spurt little parts of my life in there. So yeah, if y'all want to see more vlogs from me, girl, even after this whole process is over, even though this is going to take a little while, so you're going to see more moving vlogs. But if you want to see more regular daily vlogs from me, let me know down in the comments. All right, we're getting rid of the freaking air mattress. My bed is here, y'all. Ignore my crazy hair. The air mattress is getting put away, baby. Here is the bed. Ah! We got her. I don't know if you have to see right here, but this is the little bed. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about this bed later on whenever I go to set it up.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential.
Y'all, all right, so we're about to do the bed. I'm so excited. It's raining cats and dogs outside, but this is how the room's looking so far. It's definitely not done, so I'm not gonna give y'all the full tour yet, but it looks pretty nice so far. I'm really excited. Shout out to my mom for giving me so many items just from her just little hand-me-downs, but really not hand-me-downs. A lot of this stuff was brand new, and she just blessed me with it, like these I don't want to say the wrong name, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. If I don't, I'll link it down below if I can find one similar. But these beautiful rope tied handcrafted wall art is very cute, boho wall art. And she also blessed me with this one, which I like a lot. That's my JBW speaker, JBL speaker, JBW. Speaking of JBW, I gotta watch the show, y'all. Anyway, JBL speaker in the back. But she also blessed me with this one, which I think is really cute. I love the detail on this one. She also blessed me with this lamp. I love it because I can put things on it. I have a prayer box on there, a phone stand, and a couple of candles that I really like. She also blessed me with this nightstand. And she also blessed me with this carpet, which I love so much because it reminds me a lot of one I had pinned on Pinterest. A lot of people don't use like carpets or like carpets on carpet, but I like it, and it just brightens up the room a lot. And I also got this from Five Below, but something else she blessed me with was this blanket ladder. I love this blanket ladder so much, and it brings in another tone of wood. As you can tell by what I have out so far, I'm mixing woods, and I feel like that adds to the boho theme. And I can't wait to get like curtains, and I have a cover coming for that little baby over there, for that storage cubby over there. And I need to get curtains for this side and this side, and I also wanted to put pictures on both sides. And then I have a standing mirror that I should put somewhere in here, and also my vanity from home. If you follow me on TikTok, you know exactly which one is gonna go over here. Shout out to my friend Jasmine for getting me this pic. I don't know if I told y'all about it, but it's very beautiful, very pretty, and the frame just matches my aesthetic perfectly. I don't know how I'm gonna cover this thing up, but if not, I'll just ignore it. Nobody but me is gonna be up here. And yeah, so I'm gonna roll this bed in here and show you guys how quick and easy it is to set up a Lull mattress. I look a mess, y'all, but I got the bed up or whatever. Excited. These are my pajamas and my old sheets I just threw on here because I don't have the other sheets. My washing machine is going in the background. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited because my bed just got here today. It's been here, but it was a whole situation with FedEx. FedEx was like not trying to give me my bed. It was a situation with the address and yeah. But hindsight 2020, I got my bed. My hair look a mess, by the way, but y'all know that. I already told y'all that. But yeah, I got my bed, and tomorrow your girl gets her couch. I'm really excited, but I'm gonna be at work, so my mom is coming all the way here to wait for my bed to be delivered. I'm really grateful for her, so shout out to my mom. She's gonna wait here until my bed gets delivered. They're coming around 8. They gave us a range through 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. so we'll see. I think they say 6. I don't know, I have to check it again. But yeah, it's a few hours, so I won't be here because I work from like 8 to 7, so I won't be here practically all day. So she's gonna sit and wait for my couch to get here. By the time I get home, the couch will be here, and I hope it's just as pretty as I remember it, and I hope it like matches everything and looks good. Couch will be here, and we're getting closer and closer to this place coming together like I need it to. Yeah, but it's coming together. I guess I'll pick up the camera tomorrow whenever the couch is here, so I'll see y'all then.